Hi sellers, are you offering discounts and vouchers to boost your sales, especially when there are big campaigns like 11/11 and 12/12? These strategies are great to increase your conversion rate, but do you know how much gross profit are you actually making daily? In SiteGiant, we have a report just for that. Allow me to bring your attention to Marketplace Gross Profit Report. With 3 simple steps, you are able to view your gross profit report for your Shopee and Lazada orders. Step 1. Set up your cost price in inventory item. Step 2. Go into your Shopee and Lazada payment reconciliation and enable the sync. And step 3. Wait for the next day and you can see your gross profit report to make necessary changes to your product pricing. Marketplace Gross Profit Report will show you the breakdown of the orders, such as the shipping fee for both paid by buyer and seller, the voucher used if there's any, and the deductibles like the service fee, transaction fee, and commission. Then, the total cost of the products in the order. With all those deducted from the order amount, then you'll see your gross profit shown in the report. Click on the link in the video description below for more information on our Marketplace Gross Profit Report. Thank you and see you in the next video.